got the infamous Supra. We're breaking records today, guys. We got the GR Supra. We unbolted the boiler system because we're doing something crazy, guys. We're slapping the longest exhaust system in the world on this Supra right here, guys. It's gonna be about 14 to 16 feet. We don't know exactly how long yet, but it's gonna be sick. Stay tuned, watch this build out. Let us know what you guys think. Call Guinness, tag them, let them know G Exhaust is breaking records, all right? G Exhaust, record breaking shop right here, guys. Supra, dual, 14 feet exhaust pipes. World record breaking pipe, guys. This thing's massive, about 14 feet, give or take, not including the tip. Is the world's longest exhaust system, guys. We're slapping these tips on the end just to finish it off, and we're breaking records, guys. Got the guys pretty much hanging out, waiting to slap some tips on. They're about to put everything together. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it for you guys on YouTube, all right? So comment and subscribe. Don't be losers. Look what we're doing for you guys. This is dumb, all right? We're doing dumb shit for you guys to be entertained. World's largest exhaust on a Supra on top of that. Who's doing that? So this is what we got.
Talking, Jay. 16 feet?
Yeah, 16, 3 inches and a half.
Guys, we have a 2020 Supra right here. A little bit of a modification today. What we did was a muffler delete. As you can see, he did want to extend the pipes just a little bit. At the top where the tips are, we do have some burnt blue dump tips. Those do impact the, the noise and everything, but we're gonna get some pops and bangs hopefully out of this thing, but it's a pretty sweet ride as is. He did upgrade from a boreless system to this, so I'm curious to see the end result. Guys, let me know what you think, okay? If you want something like this, just DM us at G Exhaust on Instagram, or you can follow us on YouTube at Straight Pipe by G Exhaust, also on TikTok at G Exhaust. But we're gonna let you hear this thing. Let us know if this is something, that you like to do, if this is your style. We do sell a lot of these every day, so, but this one's a little bit more unique only because of this bar right here. Usually they don't want this bar. Today we put it though, so I don't know what to expect. We're gonna let you hear it. Check out all the links in the description. Let me know how it sounds.